1, 2, 3. 있고요. Welcome to Happy Hoopy Life. Maya is here again, and then she's gonna join us. Happy Hoopy Life. Today we're gonna do elevator trick. Do you know what's elevator trick?
No.
Do you wanna find out?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Elevator trick is really cool but super easy. I'll show you first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Hop. So that's the elevator trick. Do you wanna learn this?
Yes.
When you do elevator trick, your hula hoop next to you. If you're right-handed, you're gonna hold the hula hoop on your right side. Are you lefty?
Yes.
So you're gonna hold your hula hoop on your left and one leg in front to the back. Front to back. 2 legs in. Side of the hoop and all the way up. And ta-da! Don't forget to pause. One more time. Hula hoop next to you. Hop. 1 leg in. Hop. Are you right-handed? Are you right-handed? I saw you are left-handed. You tricked me. That's okay. If you're right hand, you can hold your hula hoop on your right side. If you're left hand, you're gonna hold your hula hoop to the left side. So Maya-chan is right-handed, so we're gonna put the hula hoop on right side. And 1 leg in, front to back, hop. 2 legs in, front to back, hop. And 1, 2, 3, all the way up. And ta-da! Okay, did you get it?
Yes.
Do you think you can do it by yourself? Can you show us in front of the camera? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Nice one! And can you do super quick? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! That was so good! Thank you, Maya-chan! Wow, it was so good!
Yeah.
How did you think about elevator trick?
I think it was pretty easy.
It's pretty easy, but is it super cool?
Yes.
Yes, so everyone can try elevator trick. It's super easy but super cool. I hope you're gonna try the elevator trick, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye!
After circle like a magic glow, shining like the moonlight, putting on a show. Round and round it goes, infinite delight, colors flashing fast like fireworks ignite.